Hello, Writing 101 students. This is a quick video about the conferences that will be starting tomorrow. So remember that you want to sign up for your conference by today. And if you have any issues with the times left or any questions, remember you can always text me or email me and I'd be happy to answer your questions. However, this is going to walk through some basics for everyone so you know what to expect. So when we are on our home page, and remember I have two sections, so this number may be different for you, but your courses should look the same in terms of their content and formatting. And so when we go to our content page, and you go into Module 1 here, you will see your Module 1 assignments. And you had your introduction, your autobiographical reflection, and then there's this conference sign-up sheet. You also have access to this on your checklist, and you can access the form by clicking on conference sign-up sheet in the checklist as well. So when you click on this, of course, most of you have already got this done, right? You've figured it out on your own. You can see the different conference times available, and you can see we've got a pretty full schedule already. There are a few slots left, and they're just a little bit later in the week, and that's fine. So we'll just be taking a couple weeks to conference and meet and talk about your writing and where you're at this class and what you'd like to get out of it. So I'm really looking forward to talking to each and every one of you. Remember that you have two options, right? You can either choose the phone call, and if that's the case, then I will call the number that you indicated on your form when you filled out the conference sheet, or excuse me, not the conference sheet, the syllabus sheet. So make sure you've done that. Or if there's a number not there, I may email you, or I may have the phone number listed for your contact information that you've left with the school. So if you need to update that information, by all means, send me an email letting me know the number you'd like me to call. And then I will send everybody a confirmation with the phone number I have for you, at least by 5 p.m. the day before your conference. So those of you meeting with me tomorrow, please watch for that email to make sure I've got a number that I can call you at. If you're someone who has selected a video call, we will be using Google Meet, and I will be sending you an invitation through your calendar and through your email to join Google Meet. And I will take a minute to show you what that will look like. And that way we can look face to face at each other as we talk, and we can share our screens, and it's a nice way to get to know each other and look at your work and talk about your work together. And so both Victoria and Raquel, I have sent you invitations and calendars, and I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like for everybody who is coming after you. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my calendar, and of course you can see I've got events scheduled here, and you can get to your calendar through your email. In case this is brand new to you, you can go up here and then select your calendar, and that'll take you to your calendar, and you'll see conference. So I have reserved that time for everybody, but you can see here I've got 2 invitations out to your classmates for our video conferencing. And when it's time to do your conference, you can click on this and then join with Google Meet. And then you need to click join now. And then that will connect us. And my camera's off on this. I don't want to confuse you too much. You can just see my voice. If you have any issues with the camera, try switching the other browser. For some reason, I have to go between Chrome and Firefox in order to get my Google Meet to work or my virtual classroom to work. And so you might need to play around a little bit with the technology, and by all means reach out and I'll help you problem solve if you have any issues. And so, yeah, that's what that'll look like for anybody doing a Google Meet. And that's a wrap, I think, for today. For phone calls, again, watch for that email. Make sure I've got the right number, and I will call you when the time comes for our conference. Don't worry about calling me. All right, everybody, take care, and I look forward to meeting with each and every one of you.